Hydrolysis of amide gives ammonia and acid. Hydrolysis can be done in acidic medium or it can also be done in basic medium. Let us discuss mechanism for acidic medium hydrolysis. So we have amide and it is treated with water and acid. So we have to derive product using mechanism. The first step we have protonation. So this oxygen gets protonated. In the next step, we have nucleophilic attack of water. So H2O acts as a nucleophile. So lone pair attacks on this carbon and this bond opens. So we will have this product. Oxygen will have plus formal charge. Now in the next step we have deprotonation. That is, we can lose H plus from here. So H2O gains a proton. So finally we will have this product. Now in the next step, this nitrogen gets protonated. So we have protonation. So we have released one molecule of H3O plus in this step that can be used for protonation of nitrogen. Nitrogen will have a plus formal charge. Now the next step, we can lose one molecule of ammonia. So we have loss of ammonia molecule. So we have this molecule. This bond comes here and this bond opens. So we will have acid plus ammonia, and this H plus is basically taken by water. So we will also have one molecule of H3O plus. These all steps are reversible. So whatever the steps we have written, these all steps are reversible. So these all steps are reversible. But the last step, that is reaction of NH3 with H3O plus, is simply acid base reaction, and this step is not reversible. So this goes only in one direction, that is in the forward direction, and this step is not reversible. That is, it goes only in forward direction. So all the equilibrium shift towards product if NH3 gets protonated. So protonation of ammonia shift this equilibrium to the right side. So protonation of ammonia shift equilibrium to the right side. So this is about hydrolysis of amide in acidic medium.